How to hide and stop announcing your birthday on Facebook. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Facebook. Make sure that you are logged in into your specific account. Once logged in, it will land you on this home page. Now move into your profile at the bottom right corner. Click on this three line at the top left corner. Head over to Settings and Privacy. Move into Settings. Inside Settings, you have to scroll down, and in the section of Audience and Visibility, you simply have to move into Profile Details. Click on Profile Details. You will see your birth date. Click on this pen icon. Now if you have set the settings to Friends, then click on it and set it to Only Me, and then tap on Done. Likewise, do the same process for this also. Once you've set it to Only Me, now your birthday will be hidden and they will stop announcing your birthdays too, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.